Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make easy fried croissants. This is very easy to make and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. So I'm going to first start with the dry ingredients. In the mixing bowl, add then flour, dry active yeast, you can use the fresh one as well. Add then sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of grated nutmeg, which is totally optional. Stir all these ingredients together. Once everything has come together, create a well in the middle, add in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm, and add in egg. Lastly, I added in salt, and then you have to go ahead and mix all these ingredients together until it's form a dough. Once it's formed a dough, knead it for about 5 minutes. So as you can tell, I added the rest of the flour and then I knead it or play with it for about 5 minutes. After, add in softened butter. So if your butter is in the fridge, make sure you bring it to room temperature or put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds and it will get soft enough. Add it to the dough and knead it more or less from 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure you play with the dough. You know, the more you play with it, the more it becomes stretchy and then your bread becomes more nice. So when you are done, I added about a teaspoon of oil just to make the surface smooth. I'll then cover it with a cling film and then let it rest for at least 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, I sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface. I'll then deflate the dough and transfer it on it and then flatten it with the tips of my fingers. You know, you do not want to go in with a rolling pin, but at least make sure you flatten it a bit and then roll it. You have to roll it thin and then it should be in the square shape. So please try your best to make it as long as you can, but it shouldn't be that thin. The thickness should be around 4 to 5 millimeters. After, cut off any excess and then I divided mine into 2 equal parts and then 3 parts each. So you want to make the croissant shape. Once you are done rolling it, you can try to make it in a triangle shape, like just go in with a triangle shape, but I find it that this is the easiest way of making my own triangle shape. So this is very easy. If you follow the video or watch the video carefully, you see that it's very easy. And then before rolling, make sure you brush on top of the dough with water before rolling it. It helps to stick and then it will not open whilst you are frying it. So that's what you're looking for. Just roll it and you're good to go. It's simple, it's very easy. Just watch the video carefully and you get there. So after, I covered it with a cling film and then I let it rest for at least 1 hour or until it has doubled in size again before frying. Go ahead and preheat your oil and fry this bad boys. This is very simple, it's easy, and it turned out so delicious, guys. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. It's yumicious. When you get to this point, all you have to do is to stay close to it, keep turning until it turns to nicely, beautifully golden brown, and that is ready, guys. This turned out delicious. Try it, please try it, because you don't know what you're missing. Try it and let me know. Stay close to it, like I said earlier, and keep turning it. So when you get to this point, you're almost there. Let it cook a little bit further. Like this point, like this, is ready. Take it or remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Please make sure you toast it in sugar whilst they are still warm. So for instance, I toast some of mine in sugar and then I don't like mine with the sugar, so my son like it with the sugar. So I toast some with the sugar and then I left some like that. So just look at it, guys. This is beautiful, it's amazing, and it turned out so delicious. Not only amazing but delicious as well. So guys, See you in my next video. Love you all and stay blessed.